So guys, so it's actually clickbait, it's not an actual blind date. Anyways guys, welcome back to Lamande Island Vlogs, where we live our lives every day without regret. Happening is a friend of mine, about 20 minutes ago I was in bed, but a friend of mine messaged me and said that she had some errands to run, and then the bus had come, and then she had like this message, catch the bus. So basically what I was saying is I was home, a friend of mine hit me up and said, yo, she have some errands to run. And she basically already made the reservations for an outing with one of her friends that unfortunately her friend wasn't feeling good, so her friend cancelled. And she pushed it to me and I said, yeah, I mean, why not do a vlog and get free food? What the hell?
The adult one video. Bro, this building look like something in a terrace, you know, the building blocks game. Yeah, so basically what's happening now is that she's going to collect her specs, so we're just going over to the building here to collect it. Yep. She gonna lift me. How much?
$100,000, $400.
You just say
95.
push it down, please. So what's the special about this make it 100,000? Which one? That one 100,000? And that one 95. Alright, they have like this cool sitting area.
Tray?
This is really dope. This is a drawing, Maroons. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna say. So these are all drawings? Oh no, this is a picture. Specs. We're in New Kingston now. I'm not sure what the plaza name, but I don't want to favor building blocks. They're behind Victoria Mutual vessel. So she come for collect her glasses. So I guess after this we're going to the restaurant to get some food. I think we're going to Tracks and Records. I'm not sure, I'm gonna get the full details yet. So but I think it's Tracks and Records, and yeah, it's a vibe, and I actually did a video the other day that I didn't post because but the music kind of bop still, so me I go and vibe. She probably beg some one cut still, but me did I wait for her, so she must can't wait for me. At least 2 more songs. How that sound? She get fed up and go and left me. Get up. The one is actually the funniest. The one is actually the funniest. I never said that one. Food which part? Tracks and records. Awesome. So I didn't remember. I one day for tracks and records I did say. Or triple century. Come here for triple century. That was the right, yeah, so. Alright, so tracks and records, guys. Just stay tuned. Here I am, stressing over my camera battery percentage while this guy in the back, let's just say he has a lot more to be stressing over. It just goes to show that you have to be thankful for what you have. It might not be a lot, but you have to be thankful because things could be worse. The man himself. Rodrigo, as in her major concern was if the matcha show up on the inside as well. My first time being in Tracks and Records. It have a vibe still. Yes, so they brought us some water. What the girl name a while ago? Trisha. Alright, Trisha was nice. So this is the menu one. It have a vibe actually. I'm sure the prices look like for the drinks. What else them have? Have like jerk chicken. Price is not bad.
What is the chicken supreme?
Eh?
What is the chicken supreme?
I don't know what me ask. Soup and salads. Not bad. I'm a bossy shot. Guys, so we decided what we'll be getting. She'll be getting the signature Tracks and Records burger, apparently, and I'll be getting the shrimp Alfredo because she wants shrimp. Believe that? Me forget the Alfredo because she wants shrimp, and she I get burger. But
You want that? You want some else?
no, me I think I try to remember what she said a while ago.
Oh, they're all here. Wings,
Oh.
fritters.
Oh, the wings is
chicken spring roll.
between the. Alright, just give me the wings.
Which one?
Oh, crispy fried, the jerk buffalo wings.
Spicy? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't know. So you can't get none of the wings then. Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's it.
No. Buffalo wings?
Yeah.
Yes? No?
Yeah.
For the Gustavo, it's a rum punch that you get for the cocktail. Sure.
Alright.
That's okay?
So what we do? For the appetizer, instead of taking the spring roll thingy, what she want me take the jerk buffalo wings because that's spicy, so she not gonna eat none of that. Yeah, so Trisha just brought us the rum punch. Nice. As in, you're not too strong. No, you're not strong. All of this music I got copyright, you know. But that's at least so brought out the wings, and the wings have a vibe still. Like we can smell it spicy, bro. Like you can smell all of the spice. Them look good though, nah lie. Not gonna lie. Yeah, next week definitely. I have to put back Rodrigo pan. Have to put him back on my side next week. Hopefully him keep the goal scoring form. More thing guys, while we wait on her to get her appetizer, let me just know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the drums or the flats? Oh wow. Isn't that bad?
It is.
I just the outside alone, but
Alright.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, they were ready.
That's what I said.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. You have lunch or maybe?
Right.
Wait. I can't use that.
Yeah,
Never
man,
mind. Thank you.
Oh, you want?
Yes, you
the
just
other
use
one?
that.
Thanks.
So I was about to eat the last wing, and then she came out with the main course. So this is the shrimp alfredo that I'll be eating, and then this is her appetizer, which is what name? Tostones. Tostones. So basically fried plantain, and then her burger is left off the spicy wings. Wow, put this, move this over there, so. Yeah, so this is the shrimp alfredo with garlic bread for the main course. Hey guys, I had to take a break from the time lapse. This shrimp alfredo is so good. Look how creamy, brother. It's like the inside, this middle section right here, so it's extremely hot. Like it retains heat super well. Let me just get a piece of the shrimp here. So nice. Eat the burger. Yeah, their face are like some poor thing. Here it is. I don't know, you can't go here. Let me try. My belly actually full. Could eat it off. I have about 10% on the battery. Thanks. Yeah, man. This bossy though. You want your boat make some good move stills, you know. Rating. But yeah, so basically what's left, we're taking it. We're not giving them back none of the food. Jamaican people know them something. Alright guys, so we packed up and we're ready to leave, and then Trisha came back to us and asked, what do you guys want for the dessert? We not even did remember say dessert a part of the deal. Yeah guys, so this is the dessert that she just brought out. It's the ice cream sundae. Well, little over. Very fancy them cherry and foamy and nice.
That's how the whipped cream then.
Yeah. It's just whipped cream. I don't even know if me a show good.
Yeah, that's it.
I know me a shake it. I don't know how them do it, because ice cream is something I love, you know. Something I eat hard and I can't eat it, I'm belly full. I have like this much left in the cup and I can't eat it. Strange. Anyways, I have like 5%. Thank you guys for wait, man, I go outside, go wrap up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching the video. consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Drop a comment down below and tell me if you enjoyed it. Yes or no. And remember my roots in every single thing that you do. Be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. That's patience, humility, and consistency.